Anna, my hair is naturally curly, wavy. The only issue I have is it's super frizzy. فشو سويت أنا all the time I get a keratin and it makes it like the frizz go away, but it's not super straight. Last year I did it in a place and they made it super straight, so they ruined my hair for so like 8 months, 7 to 8 months now. I've been growing it out. I did a big chop. وشوف, there's like straight strands that I'm like, yeah, so it's like I can't even leave my hair open. There's nothing I can do about it. Usually I scrunch it a lot and it helps, but this time I didn't scrunch it because I wanted you to see like the straight parts.
Okay.
So
and your hair grew this much?
Yeah. So
okay.
All of this is natural.
Good. So your hair grows fast.
Yeah. So I don't know.
So this one, it's been styled. You had a product on it. So
just frizzy. Cream, no gel, just cream. After like today, I washed it yesterday, and today I wet it and I put a little bit of cream because if I don't, it's like frizzy. And I hate my hair like super thick. My hair is like really thick.
Okay.
So like when it's short, I don't like it. Usually my hair is super long.
Okay. Well, usually the hair grows faster at the back.
Yeah.
So when I'm looking at the back now, I can see you have a nice wave already.
Yeah.
Okay. But when the top, which grows slower, sits on the top of it, the straight ends that are not showing the beauty of the curl that's at the back. So what I like to do usually, lift the layers a little bit on the top to expose the wavy part at the back. Because regardless of what you do, this is gonna still take some time to grow. Your hair need a bit of movement anyway on the crown to have a bit of bounce. So we will hit two problems at the same time.
Okay.
We'll introduce a bit of layers so your hair, when you leave it wavy, it looks like you got a nice distribution of layers. So the curls will kind of pop out nicer.
Okay.
And we'll get the chance to remove some of those straight ends. The only challenge will be, not challenge, but the only thing will still be remaining is the front piece, because usually I do not like to go short here and I do not like to add layers.
Yeah.
So
I don't
most
either.
probably if I took, let's say, an inch, this is the only part that you might still have a little bit of straight ends. The back, all that will go away.
And the thing is, my hair is so thick that I don't like if you cut it short here, it's gonna look like so thick because I have a really small face. So I don't like how I look when my hair is short. That's the problem.
When it's short at the front.
When it's even short at the back.
In general.
Yeah, because then it's like, it's so big for my face. So this is like really scrunched. Sometimes when they scrunch it, if I go to a curly hair salon, it's like a poodle, and I don't like it like so scrunched. I like it just wavy because I have big curls more than like short curls.
Because now your hair has...
This is like with no cream, nothing. It's from the beachy alley, so it's like salt waves. The issue, that's why I do keratin, is I just want to remove the frizz. I don't want to remove the curls, but I messed up.
Well, keratin, it requires flat iron to activate the product.
Yeah.
When we do the anti-frizz, we do not need flat iron to activate the product. That's why it's been really successful. The product itself is powerful enough to reduce the frizziness and not make the hair straight. The only thing that you have to be aware of, that some kind of hair, when it's already lost
the texture,
lost the curl or the wave, and it's only frizzy, when you remove the frizziness, the hair will look a little bit more flat, or it will not have that bounce again. So you have to differentiate between having a frizzy hair that lost the texture and between frizzy curly hair. When you have a frizzy curly hair, you remove the frizziness, you still have the curls. But if you have a frizzy hair that lost the texture, you remove the frizziness, the hair will look a bit more flat. So after we wash your hair, I will be able to tell exactly how it looks like. And in either cases, two cases, usually I don't like to do the anti-frizz on the roots to maintain as much bounce as possible. So in terms of cutting, I will keep it long like this. So you see how those ends are a little bit more straight? Now when I shift the layers up, everything is a straight line. When I shift the hair up a little bit, it's gonna look like this.
Okay.
So even if you still have some straight ends, but the fact that you have a bit of layering, that will help.
Okay.
Now what will happen, these layers, they're gonna start getting, these layers that's on the crown, they will get less and less going toward the sides.
Okay.
So when I finish the haircut, you're not gonna see it like this at the front.
Yeah.
Those,
Okay.
they're gonna be only at the back, and gradually they're gonna disappear till there is no layers happening at the front.
Okay.
This way we maintain the hair looking long at the front,
Yeah.
combined with nice layers and volume at the back.
Okay.
Your face is small.
Yeah.
You don't want things to sit here.
Yeah.
Buffy things around the face, it doesn't work with most of face styles.
Yeah.
It might work with stretched long face.
Yeah.
People, they want to have volume, but it's not about the size of your face, it's the shape of your face. You get a nice oval shape.
Yeah.
It's very balanced. So any kind of face that's balanced or rounded, it doesn't suit them to have puffiness on the side. If they have a stretched long face, that's where people, they need puffiness around the cheeks. Then you could do something, and even in that case, the layers will be coming from the top, not from choppy sides.
Okay.
For me, in order to get rid of some of the straight ends at the top, I have to target this layer. Because that's where
the straight
you got the
part.
most straight part, and it's hiding all the curves. You see here, it's not bad. So the minute I chop off this, then you're gonna have a nice bounce. But this bounce will not add too much choppy layers. The only layer that you're gonna have is this skinny layer that's gonna come from here, but it's gonna help to expose the wavy part. Make sense? So after I finish, your hair will look like this. With more bounce at the back. And the lens will look only a little bit shorter.
Cool. Tamam.
Make sense?
Yep.
These are to look. فرجيك هون كله كان طول واحد. رفعت لك اللايرز لفوق وتركت لك، بس هي حتى طول the way I left it, it actually goes with the rest of the hair. You see? It looks nice and fuller. جنن عليك. You go well actually with the red lights and the Christmas. It goes really well. Yeah.
Okay. See? This is how I normally keep my hair, like this.
That's stunning.
I love this.
So this is without
anything.
جنن عليك.
Shukran. Inshallah. I'm
A little bit
excited.
of leave-in, then you'll be good.
Okay. I'm excited
Beautiful.
for 2 months. 2 months, huh?
2 months.
Okay.
Naima, look
All
great.
right, all right.
أهلا وسهلا فيك.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.